SRI International, Silicon Valley's pioneering research institute. With 75 years of unique solutions for the world's most important challenges, transforming ideas into reality, like the first surgical robot now adapted for space operations, the first virtual assistant using language processing tools, the mouse that changed the world of computing forever, life science platforms that accelerate drug design, development, and synthesis, teams of robots that can talk to each other, and the first artificial intelligence-powered robot that influenced world-changing inventions. For over 55 years, SRI has innovated for Japan. We created the first autonomous motorcycle-riding humanoid robot, a smart helmet with three-dimensional views and data collection to train welding technicians, and emotional AI technology to detect drivers' emotions and responses. For 25 years, we have spun out more than 50 world-class companies. Our clients say,
プロジェクトパートナーとして SRI 様はなくてはならないパートナーというふうに言っています。
SRI さんはゼロベースで物事を一緒に考えていただけるんだな。
We look forward to the next 25 years of disruption and opportunity.